Hi, I am Manjot from Lens Fashions Photography. Come again with new video but with different subject. It is my first video on food photography. I did few assignments on food photography in past. On drinks, on snacks, on Swedish, also on a main course. Food photography is a very challenging job. You need to construct the photo until the reach to the perfect balance and reality. Everything in the photo is a decision. Every piece is perfectly placed by the photographer. You need to choose best camera angle according to the shape and size of the food. When shooting from the front of the food, try to keep a great foreground and background to play with. Use these empty spaces to tell more of a story. Surround your main dish with ingredients and props that relate to the food. Light is a main asset, and acquiring a few tools to help you control it will bring your food photography up to the next level. Poor use of light will ruin your story and immediately turn off your audience. Here are some common setup for food photography. First and most effective setup is a window light. A natural light is the best light if you can use it effectively with the help of diffuser and reflectors. The second is backlighting in food photography. It is a great way to show the highlight on the top of a shiny food. In this lighting setup, the subject with their coating of oil look even more appetizing when they have a nice glow around the top. In the last, side lighting. Side lighting is a great all-rounder. It works for nearly every situation. Either use two side lights or one with reflector. Both are effective according to the food shape and color. Now, time to come. I will show you how I set lights for today food photography. Start from background. I pasted art paper on a board with tapes. The platform I used is a wooden texture tile that is ideal for food photography, and placed a diffuser between food and light to soften the light. I am using Godox V860 Mark II flash and placed it left side of the diffuser. To soft more, I covered flash with a white soft cloth. The both diffuser are stopping 2 steps, so I am using flash on manual mode with full power of 1:1. The 3:4 angle for food photography is the best angle. This angle is when your camera is placed anywhere from 25 to 75 degrees in relation to your subject. I placed camera approx 65 to 70 degrees for this shoot. I am using D7500 SLR, Godox V860 Mark II flash and Manfrotto 190 series tripod, and also using newer diffuser. I am providing all links in description. You can buy directly clicking on these links. The first shot, light come from the left side and beautifully highlighted the food. Watch the animation, whole light travel on the object through diffuser and highlighted one side and give moody effect. Second picture is same setting, just change the camera angle and props. And the last took with the same settings with portrait mode and finished after post-production in Photoshop. In this video, I show you side artificial lighting. In my next videos, I will come with other important lighting setups and angles. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and comment. It will help to spread my videos to many other viewers. I would like if you will share in comment section which of picture most appealed you. Thanks for watching.